Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to register in Tabby UAE. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch the Tabby app. They'll prompt you to select your country. And here you just need to go ahead and choose United Arab Emirates, okay? Now, it's usually a straightforward process. So you can either create an account by signing up directly through the app, or you can select Tabby as a payment option during checkout at a partner store. So if you want to create the account, you can just click here, login or sign up. And then they'll ask you to put in your phone number, your UAE phone number. You put that in right here. You hit continue, and they'll send you a 4-digit verification code, a one-time password. Okay? You put it in right here, and then you hit continue. And you will need to go ahead and, complete your purchase or account setup. You'll be guided to select your payment plan. You can do, for example, a 4 interest-free payments. You enter your valid UAE debit or credit card details to cover the payments. They'll ask you for your ID as well. You need to just submit your ID, okay? And then you should be verified instantly. Just have to be at least 18 years of age, be a UAE resident, okay? And just link a valid debit or credit card to your account. That's literally it. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.